Hello everyone. Today we will discuss the data presentation element, which is the chapter 5. So this topic focuses on how measurement data is finally presented to the users or to the human observers now. So let's see first the learning objectives. After this lecture, you should be able to define the data presentation element. So by the end of this lecture, you should be able to define data presentation element and explain observational and measurement error and compare the analog digital display, then understand the different display technologies. We will see some display technology and understand the coders and printers. So this is the content of this chapter. So data presentation element means which is the final stage in a measurement system, and it represents the measured value of the variable to the users or to the human observers. For example, we can list the voltmeter display. This is one example of the data presentation element, digital thermometer, and some oscilloscope screens are some examples of the final stage in the measurement system, and they are called the data presentation elements. So when you see the what is data presentation element means, which is, as I said, it is a final stage in a measurement system. Then after a sensor measures a physical quantity, as we discussed in the previous chapters, physical quantity are measured by sensor. So sensor measures physical quantity, then this is the signal is processed, so the result must be shown to human observers or to the users. So this device is called the data presentation display. So this can be in the form of display such as the digital number or the graphic output. If the data is not clearly presented, so the entire measurement process loses its value. So in the form of display, the digital may be in digital number or the graphic outputs. So why they are important? Suppose the true value is, for example, if the true value of the measurement is 11.3, for let's say for example, and then if the instrument measures 11.5, this gives a small error of which is 0.2. This is called the measurement error because the error is happen in the instrument measures narc የሚፈጠረው error which is measurement error እንለዋለን. But if the observer reads the value which is 12, observer ግን or the end user እነዚህ display የተደረገው which is 12 ብሎ የሚያነበው ከሆነ due to some pure display clarity ሊሆን ይችላል or some other factors, then we introduce a large observation error. This is called the observation error. The first one is which is measurement error, and the second one which is the observer reads the wrong value, so this is called the observation error. So even if the system is accurate, poor display can be lead into incorrect results. Poor display ከሆነ into incorrect result ሊያመራን ይችላል ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ የፕሬዘንቴሽን ክላሪቲ መኖር ኢምፖርታንት which is observation error minimize ለማድረግ ነው። So the observation error factors የሚባል ደግሞ error depends on many factors. For example, the distance of the element from the observer or the lighting condition may be one factor. The eyesight of the observer and the skill of the observer are the some factors that can the observation errors. So through this, those observation errors, display should be clear and it may be not be crowded መሆን የለበትም ማለት ነው። Okay, those are the observation error factors. So the types of data presentations are, we have two types of data presentations. The first one is the display and the second one is the recording. So display means which is the value is shown instantly or ምንድነው ዳይሬክትሊ ዲስፕሌይ ወዲያውን የምናየው ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ አንድ ነገር ሜዠር ሲደረግ ወዲያውን የምናየው ከሆነ is a display, or it may be a recording. So for the data is stored for the future use ማለት ነው። ይሄንን ደግሞ recording ይባላል። So data presentation may be two types, display and recording. Both are the important depending on their application. So the output presentation is in the form of analog or in the form of digital forms ሊሆን ይችላል. As we look here, this is the analog one, this is the pointer scale indicators. So ይሄንን analog display ነው. Whereas the digital display instrument uses the numbers like the 7 segment light emitting diode ሊሆን ይችላል or some LCDs. Those are the digital displays. So digital display ማለት is in number display የሚያደርግልን ነው. Whereas the analog ማለት ደግሞ is in pointer scale የሆነ point የሚያደርግልን ማለት ነው። So the data presentation element classification is we can classify it into two. which is the analog and the digital, and the analog one is the analog display uses a pointer moving over a scale. As we said, this is a pointer moving over a scale. For example, a traditional voltmeter or the ammeter እንደዚህ አይነት የድሮ voltmeter ammeter እንደዚህ አይነት ዲስፕሌይ ነበራቸው። ስለዚህ እነዚህ one example of the analog display. And the disadvantage of this is the scale between the marking. እነዚህ scale for example between 5 and 10 እዚህ ጋር clear የሆነ number የለውም, which is 5 ብሎ 10 ነው የሚለው። እዚህ ጋር indicate የሚያደርገው by counting, which is 5 6 7 8 9 10 ነው ሆነው። ለዚህ for example this is 5 6 7 8 ላይ ያመለከተ ነው ማለት እንችላለን ማለት። ስለዚህ እናረው እኔ ለምሳሌ at 8 ነው ማለት ይችላል፣ ግን ትክክለኛ ቫልዩ 7.8 ሊሆን ይችላል or 7.9 ሊሆን ይችላል ኢንዲኬት እያደረገ ያለው ይሄን ቫልዩ። ስለዚህ በዚህ ጊዜ between scales some error introduce ያደርግልናል። this is disadvantage of the analog display. When it comes to the digital display, a digital display shows the value in numeric form. So for example, some digital multimeter shows the exact number value like 12.45 and which is 12.45 million volts directly, which is as number shows ለሚያደርገው እዚህ ጋር ምንም አይነት ኤረር ኢንትሮዲዩስ ያደርግም ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ ዲጂታል ዲስፕሌይ አር better than analog ምንለው በዚህ ፎርም ነው ማለት ነው። So this eliminates the need of estimation and reduces the observation error. That is why digital display are more accurate and easier to read ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ በዚህ ዲስፕሌይ ዲጂታል ዲስፕሌይ are better ማለት እንችላለን። So digital display instruments shows the output in the form of the character or the graphics. The form of character or graphics show ሊያደርጉ ይችላል their outputs. When you say the characters, they include the alphanumeric number. Alphanumeric ማለት which is alphabet እና ABCD alphabet and numbers የሆነ information hold አድርጎ የያዘ ከሆነ is we call it the alphanumeric. And the second one is as graphic. ይሄንን ደግሞ line diagram ሊሆን ይችላል or the waveform as sine waveform. For example, the oscilloscope I don't know lab ላይ አይታችሁ ከሆነ which is the oscilloscope waveform ይሰጣል። So እነዚህ አይነት ደግሞ graphic display እንላቸዋለን። እነዚህ under digital display ናቸው የሚመደቡ። So the types of digital display are we have currently the light emitted diode which is LED, and the CRT which is cathode ray tube, and the LCD, and also we have the electroluminescent displays or EL display. So we have those are 4 types of digital displays. So each of those uses a different physical principles, their own principle to produce visible output. So how a digital display system works ሚለው የተወሰነና ወደ እነዚህ ወደ LCD, LED, CRT and EL ሚለው ገብተን የተወሰነና ያለን ማለት ነው። So how a digital display system works, first as we know sensor measures the physical quantity, and then this signal is conditioned and converted into digital form by using the analog to digital converter. After that, here is we have the display drivers, display driver control. So after converting the analog into digital signal, the display driver controls how the information appears on the screen. So this is information screen ላይ እንዴት ነው display መሆኑ የሚለው የሚወስነው, which is called the display driver controls. We call it the display driver control. So the finally the output is shown to the observer or to the users. So the electronic circuit, which is a digital instrument, uses the analog to digital converter, as I said, and the display driver. So as we see here, let me maximize this one. Which is this is called the display driver. So we have the first analog signal from sensor. We have an analog signal. So this analog signal must be converted into digital. So analog to digital converter, we have ADC here. So this ADC converts the analog into digital signal. So here we have a display driver. So this is called the display driver. So after this display driver, this signal is digital display. We have a displayer here. So we can see some the output of information here. So ይሄንን ኢንፎርሜሽኑ output ላይ ማየት እንችላለን. So this is called the ADC and the display driver circuit ነው ማለት ነው. So ይሄንን which is 7 segment ነው በኋላ እናየዋለን. So digital display can present data in different forms. They can show the numbers, they can show the letters or the graphic information like the sine waves or the charts. For example, oscilloscope, as I said, signal will be displayed in graphical form, whereas calculator in numerical values. So here we have the digital display principles, how they work. Their working principles are the common character format uses, which is the 7 segment and the 7x5 dot matrix. In general, we can say the 7 segment and the dot matrix. So 7 segment is basically which is formed by the dots, and they refers as the pixels. So the number of pixels or the picture elements. Number of pixel ማለት አሁን ለምሳሌ አንድ ኢሜጅ ሆኖ እንዲታይ የሚያደርገው they are pixels ናቸው ማለት ነው። እነዚህ ፒክሰል ኮምባይን ሲደረጉ ብዙ number of pixels አንድ ላይ ኮምባይን ሲደረጉ which is የሆነ some images ይፈጥራሉ ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ these are the pixels. So those are used to display the number 0 to 9. For this is for the 7 segments is from 0 to 9 display ያደርጋሉ. Letters, which is the capital letter, the alphabet A to Z in either upper or lowercase format, and few other symbols such as punctuation marks. This is generally for the 7x5 dot matrix. So in general, 7 segment display commonly used to display the numbers. They display the numbers, and it consists of the 7 segment labeled from A to G. 7 segment na yallo. So let's say label this is from A to G, as we see here, which is A, B, C, D, E, F, and G. This is the 7 segment display. So ይሄንን 7 segment display on and off በማድረግ አንዱ this is 1 segment 2 segment 3 እነዚህ 8 segment ነው ያላቸው። so ያንን ከዜሮ ስለሚጀምር which is we call is 7 segment display። ስለዚህ ያንን አንዱ ኦፍ አንዱ ኦን በማድረግ ቁጥሮቹ ከ0 እስከ 9 ላይ ማድረግ እንችላለን። so a 7 segment display command is used to display the number, and it consists the 7 segment labeled from A to G, and by turning on and off specific segments we can form digits from 0 to 9. for example, to display the 8 አሁን ይሄንን የምታዩት which is 8 8 ቁጥር ነው ሁሉ segment ስለበራ which is 8 ቁጥር ታያል። በት ለምሳሌ ሴግመንት G ኦፍ ቢሆን ማለት ነው ይሄንን ሴግመንት G ኦፍ ከሆነ which is 0 ነው ዲስፕሌይ የሚያደርገው። ስለዚህ ይሄንን ኦን ኤንድ ኦፍ በማድረግ የተለያዩ ቁጥር ዝጋ ዲስፕሌይ ያደርጋል ማለት። for example, ሴግመንት B and C ብቻ ኦን ከሆነ ሌላ ኦፍ ከሆነ which is 1 ማለት ነው። this is 1 to ዲስፕሌይ ለማድረግ which is ሴግመንት A, B, G, E and D ብቻ ኦን ከሆነ which is this is number 2 ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ እነዚህ ሴግመንቶች አንዱ ኦፍ አንዱ ኦን በማድረግ ከ0 እስከ 9 ዲስፕሌይ የሚያደርግልን this is called the 7 segment display. and the next one is the dot matrix ነው። እዚህ ጋር which is 7 segment display የሚያደርጋቸው ግን which is አንዱ ከ0 እስከ 9 ነው ዲስፕሌይ የሚያደርገው። ይሄንን for example G off ከሆነ which is 0 ነው። A, B, C, D, E, F on ከሆኑ and G is off which is 0 form ያደርጋል። B and C ብቻ ኦን አድርገን ሌላ ኦፍ ከሆነ which is 1 ይሆናል። then A, B, G, E and D ብቻ ኦን ከሆነ which is number 2። እንደዚህ ያለ ከ0 እስከ 9 ቁጥር ዲስፕሌይ ያደርጋል። and the 9 uppercase letters also displayed under the 7 segments. for example, if the segment D only off ከሆነ segment D ብቻ ኦፍ ካረግን which is capital letter A display ያደርጋል። here we have capital letter A. and when the segment G, B and C are off and segment A, F, E and D ብቻ ኦን ከሆነ which is capital letter C display ያደርጋል። እንደዚህ ያለ B and C off ከሆነ which is capital letter E ይሆናል። ስለዚህ እነዚህ 9 uppercase letters and 0 to 9 numbers display ያደርጋል ማለት ነው እነዚህ 7 segment display. then when we come to the dot matrix, they use a grid of small dots called the pixels so to form a character. they use the as I said before which is the pixels. they use this pixel. so compared to the 7 segment display, dot matrix display can be represent the more complex character. 7 segment ልክ እንዳየነው which is 0 to 9 and some 9 upper letter ብቻ ነው ዲስፕሌይ የሚያደርግልን። but here the dot matrix can display more than the 7 segment display which is the complex character display ሊያደርግ ይችላል። letters and symbols and some characters which is at dot something character display ያደርግልናል ማለት ነው እነዚህ dot matrix የምንጠቀም ከሆነ። so the quality of the display improves the number of pixel increases. እዚህ ምንድነው which is number of pixel increase ከሆነ the quality of the display improve ይሆናል ማለት ነው። so as the number of pixel increases, the quality of the display also better and better. The 7x5 dot matrix format enables the 192 character display ማድረግ ይችላል ማለት ነው። this includes all the numbers, all number, upper and lower case letters which is either in upper or lower case letter include ያደርጋል, and some Greek letters and other symbols include በማድረግ which is about 192 character ዲስፕሌይ ሊያደርግ ይችላል ማለት ነው። and 9x7 ዶት ማትሪክስ ፎርማት ከወሰድን ግን which is better representation ይኖረዋል ማለት ነው። so እዚህ ጋር እንደምናየው which is እነዚህ ዶት ማትሪክስ ናቸው። ስለዚህ for example this is 1 2 3 4 5 and 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 by 5 ዶት ማትሪክስ ናቸው እነዚህ። ስለዚህ እነዚህ ፒክሰል number of pixel በመጠቀም ቁጥራቸው ሙሉ ቁጥር and letters which is upper letter and case letter from A to Z display ማድረግ ይችላል ማለት ነው ይሄንን። so each character format is in the array of segment or in the dot formats. so those are refers to the pixels. so when those pixels is switch on, so the either the emitting light or the modulating light form other sources. so they forms the other sources. when the pixel is switch off, it is either not emitting light or not modulating light ማለት። ስለዚህ on ከሆነ which is light emit ያደረገ ነው፣ off ከሆነ which is not emitting the light። ይሄንን which is ይሄንን ነው የሚያወራራ ማለት ነው። ይሄ ምንድነው እዚህ ጋር which is by BCD or the decode number of ምንድነው የነበረው እነዚህ ባይነሪ and something የሚባል ነምበር አለ አይደል? ASCII ኮድ ባይነሪ ነምበር ምናምን። so እዚህ ጋር the 7 segment decoder used to convert the input parallel digital signal usually in binary code decimals which is BCD ምንለው which is binary code decimal or the ASCII format. so into 7 segment code ለመቀየር ማለት so ይሄንን ምንድነው የምናደርገው which is ለምሳሌ 0 ከሆነ which is binary code decimal 000 ነው and 1 ከሆነ 0001 ነው 2 ከሆነ 0010 ነው። ስለዚህ እነዚህ ሪፕሬዘንት የምናደርግበት ሜተድ ማለት ነው። so አሁን ለምሳሌ እዚህ ጋር 0 ሪፕሬዘንት ለማድረግ ምንድነው ቅድም እንዳልኳችሁ a b c d e f 1 ይሆናል g 0 ይሆናል ማለት ነው። so here we have g only 0 እዚህ ጋር እንደምናየው which is g ብቻ off ይሆናል። so g will be off 0 ማለት off ነው 1 ማለት on ነው ማለት ነው። ኦኬ ስለዚህ ይሄንን which is represent 0 ለምሳሌ ሁለተኛ ሮው ላይ 0 1 1 0 0 b and c ብቻ 1 ከሆነ ለየተቀረ 0 so b and c is 1 then the rest one is 0 so this display is 1 so this is 0 0 0 1 ማለት ነው። እንደዚህ ያለው which is 8 ከሆነ which is 1 old which is this is 1001 so this is e ብቻ off ከሆነች where is e is off this one 9 ማለት ነው። e ብቻ off ከሆነች which is this forms the number 9 so this is number 9 on ከሆነ which is 8 ማለት ነው። as you see here ሁሉ እንደበራ which is 8 ነው ማለት ነው። ሁሉ ከበራ which is 8 ነው። ስለዚህ በዚህ ፎርም ነው ወደ ባይነሪ ኮድ ዴሲማል or the ASCII ኮድ ሪፕሬዘንት እናደርገው። so ይሄንን which is 00 ማለት 0 እንደሆነ እዚህ ጋር 1 ነው ይሄ ማለት 2 ነው አሁን ያወራነው ነው። ስለዚህ ይሄንን እንዳለ ዲስፕሌይ ማድረግ ይችላል the 7 ሴግመንት ማለት ነው። then the second one is ካሁን ያየነው which is character display የሚለው ነው። then digital display principle under the graphic display ደግሞ this consists large number of pixels arranged in the row and column or in the XY axis format. This is to display a graphic. So the principle of pixel matrix multiplexing which is based on the time division multiplexing is used. and ምንድነው የሚጠቀመው time division multiplexing ነው የሚጠቀመው graphic display ማለት ነው። so let's see one by one which is the LED, LCD, EL and the CRT. so what is LCD? is the light emitting diode. so as its name indicates which is it is a light emitting diode. it uses the diode ነው የሚጠቀመው። so it is a digital display of the diode which glows when supplied with very small current በዛ flow ማድረግ ሲጀምር which is glow ያደርጋል or ይበራል ማለት ነው። so in general the graphic display principle pixels are arranged in row and column ነው ብያቸዋለሁ። so to control a large number of pixels efficiently a technique called the multiplexing which is basically the time division multiplexing ይጠቀማል ማለት ነው። so this allows the system to display complex image using pair connection small connection በመጠቀም which is display complex image display እንዲያደርግልን ያግዛል ማለት ነው። so when we come to the LED display, an LED display uses the light emitting diodes. so it uses the light emitting diode. when the current flows through the diode it emits light. diode the current በdiode flow ማድረግ ሲጀምር it emits or glows the light. so LED display are bright, fast and reliable ነው. however they consumes more power compared to the LCD ናቸው more power ይወስዳሉ። so high power consumption አለ ማለት ነው። only suitable for small scale display ናቸው እንደርሰው እነዚህ which is LED. when you cut the cathode ray tube or the CRT display, the cathode ray tube display uses an electron beam. ምንድነው የሚጠቀመው እነዚህ they use an electron beam to produce image on screen ላይ ኢሜጅ ፕሮዲዩስ ለማድረግ which is they uses the electron beam ናት የሚጠቀሙ LED ከሆነ which is በዳዮዱ number of small current በዛ ፍሎ ማድረግ ሲጀምር they glows or they emit a light. So the beam strikes a phosphorus surface. This causes to emit a light. So those display were commonly used in the old monitors. Old monitor ቦርጫም ቲቪ አይነት እንደዛ አይነት ነገር ማለት ነው. So they are the older monitors. They are bulky and consume high power ናቸው ማለት ነው. high power consumption አላቸው and bulky but good for graphic display good ናቸው ማለት ነው. ስለዚህ እነዚህ በአንድ ምንድነው ኤሌክትሮን ቢም ነው የሚጠቀሙ to switch on and off to produce required pattern for the creating character on the screen ነው. then pixels are formed by the phosphor dots ናቸው or the phosphor dot ማለት semiconductor material ነው which is a material and which emits visible radiation in response to the impact of electrons. Electron beam በዛ flow ሲኖር ጊዜ which is visible ይሆናል. These are the cathode ray tube. And the third one is the LCD or the liquid crystal display. So the LCD display are the LCD stands for the liquid crystal display. So they are a film of or the liquid crystals at its name which is liquid crystal nature, and it works by controlling the light using the liquid crystal. So LCD consumes very low power and they are widely used in devices like calculator or watches. ስለዚህ በሰዓት ነው calculator በብዙ ጊዜ እንጠቀማቸዋለን. However they have slow response compared to LED ፈጣን ናቸው compared to the LCD. So they uses the light incident or polarization form ነው የሚጠቀሙ. So pixel matrix multiplexing technique is used to obtain graphic display. እዚህ ጋር ምንድነው pixel matrix multiplexing technique ናቸው የሚጠቀሙ ማለት ነው. They uses the pixel matrix multiplexing technique. So when it comes to the electroluminescence display or the EL, and light is emitted due to the which is called the electroluminescence effect. So this is when a voltage is applied across the semiconductor material which is the phosphor material. So the light is emitted ማለት light emitted የሚሆነው when voltage is applied across the material. So pixel matrix multiplexing technique is used. This also uses the pixel matrix technique used for this to display the graphic display ማለት እነዚህ which is graphic display ናቸው. So high operating voltage and generates greater power consumption than LCD more power ይወስዳሉ ማለት ነው. But good contrast ratio or the brighter and viewer angle አላቸው እነዚህ LCD የተሻለ ማለት. So this is all about the display. The next one is the recorders and the printers. So in some application it is important to store data permanently. ስለዚህ እስካሁን display ነው ያየነው which is, but in some applications it is important to store data which is permanently የሆነ ዳታ አስፈላጊ የሚሆንበት ሰዓት ሲኖር ደግሞ which is recorders እንጠቀማለን ማለት ነው. So recorder and printers are used for this purpose ማለት ነው. For example a chart recorder continuously records the data over time. ስለዚህ chart recorder for example chart recorder or paperless recorder or laser recorder እነዚህ under recorder እንጠቀማቸዋለን. This is what about the recorder and printer. So to summarize our today's class, data presentation is the final stage in a measurement system. So we discussed the analog and digital display, different display technology and recording devices. So a good presentation system or the data presentation system ensures accurate and clear communication of the measured data. So let's measure የሆነ data clear and accurate የሆነ communication ሊኖር ከተፈለገ which is good የሆነ data presentation element ሊኖረን ይገባል ማለት. So this is all about this chapter 5. So thank you for your attention. If you have any question, feel free to ask.